your desk, but no, you were standing right here. It's okay. Hush. Kylan, be quiet, please. All right, if you got cards, raise them up in the air, and I'm going to come grab them from you. Raise them up in the air for me real quick. Gonna pick them up? It's the remote to that. That's why it's following me. Good job, you guys. I'm proud of y'all. Y'all are getting better at your multiplication.
I got better.
Y'all are getting better. Good job.
No, you were doing it later,
Alright, hey, sit down. Everybody sit down. It's going to be a hot mess of a video. You got Kylan jumping up and down the whole time. Alright, hey, expect excellence.
every day.
When I say expect excellence and y'all say every day, there should be no talking after. Hush. That's fine. Hush. Alright. We're going to talk through these problems up here. So, who worked number 12? Who worked number 12? Alright, Cody and Adham, y'all going to come up and help teach it to the class, alright? Y'all going to walk through your steps. It's alright. I'm going to help you, alright? Alright. Pretend like I'm a student. Go ahead. Number 12. Cody, you're on number 12. Y'all listen to him. Good. Good. They brought down their 0 next. So then, now they're doing 4 times 0. Go ahead, Adham. Put his 4, carried his 2, and then they did 4 times 4. It's 16 plus 2. 18. Good. So y'all wrote down. What was that? Adham, can you read that number for the second partial product that you wrote? Good. 18,400. Okay, go on to the next one.
Then we brought down our double 0.
Mm-hmm.
We did 3 times 0 for the same 0. We added another 0.
Okay.
Alright, so then we 3 times 6 would make 18. We carried our 1.
Push back right down.
3 times 4 would make 12. Plus 1 makes 13. And then we got a result of 138,000.
Good. Okay, so class, what did they do with their partial products after that? They added them together.
You're talking about.
Alright, so what did you add it together to get?
Alright, so 0 plus 0 plus 0 makes 0.
Good.
Plus 0 plus 0 makes 2.
Good.
And then we carried our 1. 1 plus 30 makes 9. Plus 4 makes 7.
Alright. So,
Then we carried our 1 again, and we added the rest. And
Colin.
now we have a stock product, which is.
Elijah, read the product that they got. What was their final answer? Say that first. Whole first number first. Say this whole. What is this number right here? No. This is a 1, 5, and a 7. What do you say for that? 157,000. Hey, pay attention. He's trying to read up here. 157,000. Good. 150,320. Good. All right. So if you have a snack, anybody else have a snack left out? All right. Put them up. Everybody throw them away. There's trash cans both sides of the room. Throw them away now. Snack is over. All right. So y'all think they got it under control? You think they did good on this problem? All right. Let's give them a round of applause. Woo! All right. So number 13. Who's our lucky contestant for 13? Savannah.
I did not pick you to help.
Hush, hush, hush. All right, Savannah, go ahead and explain number 13 to us. Stop moving and humming.
So I wrote 5, 8 there, and then 10
Good.
And then I did 6 times 9 and got 54.
Good. 54 plus your remaining.
Plus 4.
Okay.
58. And then I did 6 times 5 got 30 and added 5 and got 35.
Good. So Kylan, can you read that first product she got up on the board? Right under our equal sign. She's pointing at it. Can you read that number to me?
3,000.
Good.
588.
Good. High five. 3,588. All right, go on, Savannah.
And then I carried down my zeros.
Mhm.
And then I did 3 times 8 and got 24. And then I added 2.
2.
And got 24. And then I carried my 2 and put 4. And then I got 3 times, and then I did 3 times 9 and got 27.
Good.
And added my
2.
2.
You get 29.
And
Good.
got 29. And then I did my 2.
Good.
And did 3 times 5 and got 15.
Hush.
And got 17. And I wrote that.
Good. So, Mohammed, can you read her second partial product that she got to me? Savannah, point to it for us. The second one. Good. 17,940. All right, Savannah, go ahead.
And then I did 6 times 8.
Y'all pay attention.
48. I wrote 2. No, first I put my 2 zeros.
Good.
6 times 8 got 48. Put my 8 there in my zero. 6 times 9 got 54. Added 4 and got 28. And then put 4.
Hush. Which one are you on?
I think I forgot to add 4.
See, 6 times 9 is 54 plus 4. Go ahead. You can fix it. That's what we're here for. We all make mistakes and we're fixing them. Good. So she had 54 and she needed to add her 4. So she now has 58. Good.
And then I changed my 5, and then I
Good.
did 6 times 5 got 30, added 5 got 35, and then I added 8 plus 0 and got 8, and then 8 plus 4 got 12, so I got 1. Added 5 plus 9 plus 8 plus 1 and got 23. And then I added 3 plus 2 got 5. 7 plus 5 is 12, and then plus 8 is 20.
Okay, you 2. It's alright, we know what you're saying.
My 2, and then I added 2 plus 1 got 3, added my 5 and got 8.
Good.
And then 3
That's
plus
all right.
7.
Alright. Amani, can you read this answer to me that she got? Good. The answer is 380,328. Stop beating on the desk, please. All right, who worked number 14? Jay, go ahead and go on up there. Do you want me to explain it or you want to explain it? All right, I can explain it. Let's do it. All right, so y'all are going to help me with this one, okay? All right, so first we did 8 times 3. Class, what is 8 times 3? Expect excellence. I know. I need y'all to sit still. Y'all are making too much noise in here. I know there's someone at the door. No, sit down. He's waiting for her. I know this, okay?
Come on in, buddy. Let him
The
in.
door's unlocked. He should be able to come
Now pay
in.
attention to Miss Farrell, please.
All right, so first we did 3 times 8, which was 24. So we wrote his 4 and carried the 2. Next he did what, class? What do you do after 8 times 3? Good, he did 8 times 6. What is 8 times 6? 48 plus 2. 48 plus 2 is? 50. Good. So they wrote a 0 and carried a 5. Next you did 8 times 9. What is 8 times 9, class? 72 plus 5 is? 77. Good. So our first number is, Jay, can you read that first partial product you got? That very first one under the line. Nope, it says 7704. Can you read the number though? Read it out loud for us. 7. What place is that what place value is that the first 7 sitting in?
I know it.
This first 7, what place value is that first 7 in? We have the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So it's 7,000. 704. Good. All right. So after that, he crossed out his 8 in the ones place value and brought down a 0. So next he did the 2 in the tens place value. So 2 times 3 is 6. Good. 2 times 6 is
12.
12. So he put a 2 and carried the 1. Next he did 2 times 9. 18 plus 1 is 19. Good. And can you read that second partial product y'all got? Well, there's a 9. 19. Stop beating on the desk.
Please stop beating on the disc.
Good. So Ann said this second partial product is 19,260. Good. So we're going to cross that 2 off because we're done with the 2 in the tens place. And what are we going to add to the next row of partial product answers, Caden? Good. We crossed out 2 place values, so we're adding 2 zeros. So now we're going to do with the 3. So what's 3 times 3, class? 9. What's 3 times 6? 18. So we wrote an 8 and he carried his 1. And then what's 3 times 9? 27 plus 1 more is 28. Good. So Addison, can you read me that third partial product they got?
288,900.
Good. 288,900. All right. So when we add it all together, we got this bottom number. Cody, can you read the full product that they got?
315,865.
He did. He said that. Good. 315,864. Good job. All right. Kaylin, did you do 15? All right. Y'all going up and y'all can explain 15 to us. Y'all got it. It fills me every once in a while.
Kaden, I need you to talk clearly. You're teaching the class, so talk loud and clear.
Okay.
Very good.
Good.
1 times 8 equals 8
Good. What? Okay. Landon, can you read their first partial product they got? The first answer that they got. No, this first one. Point at it, Kaylin, for him. Point at it. Huh? No, read the whole number, though. Read the whole number. Good. 789. All right, go on.
Then we did 5 times 9 plus 45.
Stop moving.
We did the 5 and the 5 side that carried the 4. Then we did 5 times 8 times 40. Then we put the then we added the 4. Then we did 5 times 7 equals 35. Then we added 4. Then we got 39. Read the
No, you're good. Keep going. All right, last one. They did the 5 and the 1s. Now they got to multiply their 9 and the hundreds place value by everything.
we added 2 zeros.
Let them in. Go ahead.
We added 2 zeros and then a 6, 9, 10, 9, 1. No, we have added our 8.
Hush.
Which is 87 times 0 right here, then we put our 5.
That's right. Good. All right, Montavious, read their answer to us, please. No, I'm talking. Yeah, no, I was talking about the added part. Sorry. Kylan,
750.
what price value?
3,000.
750,000.
339.
Good. 750,339. Good. Okay, I need everybody to put everything away. Clear your desk except for a pencil. Nope, just leave it. Everybody go back to your seat and put everything away except for a pencil. Look here, you can go back to your desk too. Listen, you're going to need to listen to know what to do, okay? Alright, everybody's going to get a sheet of notebook paper. In your groups, you are also going to get a card that has a problem on it. You're going to read your problem and solve it, okay? Hey, stop talking. Once you get your piece of paper, you can work the problem with your group. In order to get a new problem, Savannah, stop talking. In order to get a new problem, your whole group has to show me that they worked it, okay? Alright, so here's your paper. Everybody gets a piece of paper, and you're going to get your problem here in 1 second. No, you're fine. Yes, each group is getting a different one, so don't try and ask somebody else. Stop. I see you looking at the camera. Stop. It's for me. It's one of my assignments for school. Alright. Okay, listen up. So, Cody, who all has to write the answer down? Who all has to write your answer down to get a new problem? Everybody. Are y'all listening? Everybody has to write the problem and answer down to get a new one, okay? Alright, go ahead. Don't write the problem, just solve it. Everybody has to solve it. You're working on a whisper. It does not take a lot to talk with your group, okay?
This is, I talked to another math teacher, and we're just going to have to cram it down our throats the best they can. I'm just going to show them the standard way and how to do it with models and notes, and we're going to practice. So here's the pages.
Okay, I'll just get it
for those. And I've got we're not going to actually do, the study guide is going to be more or less us doing practice problems on the board, and then writing it down.
Work in your groups. Kylan, go sit down and work.
In your donut holder.
Kylan, go sit down.
We're done. We're not
Montavious, your group members are waiting for you. If I can clearly hear your voice, you are talking too loud. Whisper. Hint, every card involves multiplication.
We're finished. Can we get another one? Or can we work on our blue thing?
You'll get another one. Y'all got y'all's almost done? Y'all working?
No.
What do y'all think y'all gonna do in this problem?
Oh.
Good, you're in.
And I
Alright, y'all need any help? You can draw pictures too to help you. It's Monday. We're going to talk about it in a little bit, okay? Shh. Alright, y'all good? Good. Good. Alright, hold on one second. Alright. Here's y'all's next clue, okay? Here's y'all's next one. Bring it down a level. Y'all are talking too loud. Y'all expect excellence. Whoa.
If you think you're about to be disrespectful in this classroom, you can think again. Y'all are not being respectful to Miss Farrell, and I'm about to have it. I'm about to give her permission to write people referrals immediately. Now, expect excellence. Listen to Miss Farrell.
Y'all need to bring it down a few notches. Y'all are talking way too loud. If I can hear your voice clearly, you are too loud. Continue. All right, you can work on your question some more. Okay. All right, so it says when Sarah was walking to school, she counted steps per minute. It took her 36 minutes to walk to school. Each minute she counted that she walked 54 steps. Okay, so in this first minute, how many steps did she walk?
She walked 36.
No, 54.
54.
The second minute.
36.
Nope, 54. The third minute.
54.
54. So what am I doing? I've just added 54 over and over again. But what's repeated addition?
Times.
Multiplication. So you could just do times. Same thing, right? All right, try and work that problem then. Y'all done? Okay. All right, y'all gotten this one figured out?
I'm waiting for all of them.
Help them, buddy. Help them. Don't just flip your paper over. Help them.
I've given
Do we
that.
carry
You have
out?
a
Do we
friend
carry
right
out
here who
too?
has nothing on his paper.
I haven't told you not to show one.
Okay, well, y'all are working together as a group.
I just like carrying out too.
Alright, guys.
Are you carrying a 2,
9
bud?
times 6.
Oh, 9 times 6. What's 9 times 6?
Tell me what 9 times 6 is.
54.
Hmm?
He's fine. If he can work it, he can work it. If not, it's alright.
Can you draw? Draw triangle.
What's that camera for? You can send that to YouTube.
Work.
Man.
Do your multiplication. You can do it. Ask Cody for some help. Yes. Y'all leave. Don't just forget about him. Just work together. He's gonna do his own thing anyways. Marquavius. Marquavius. Marquavius, if I say your name one more time, more. Go sit down.
All aboard the choo-choo.
Work. Are y'all done? Good. Okay, 1 second.
We just passed that. Wait a minute.
Alright, here's y'all another card. New card. Are done?
I mean, right.
Yeah.
I need some
y'all
help.
What's 8 times 5?
Alright, we're gonna work on this one.
Why am I always do the question?
She's doing everybody.
Look, she's on another hill.
Well, are you participating?
Yes.
Alright, so keep working.
It's 40.
How much time? How much time for your stuff?
We're doing about 4 more minutes to come together.
Marquavius, stop. Sit down and do your work. Yes. 9 times what? It's 54.
We're ready for a new one. BTW, we're ready for a new one.
All right, we're done. Y'all, we're done switching. Y'all, we're gonna work them all together now. Marquavius, go sit down. Go sit down.
Can you put me to another group? Can I go back over there?
No,
So they ain't even helping people.
I know. I'm gonna help you all, everybody. All right. All right, y'all start wrapping them up, and I'm gonna work them on the board now. I know you haven't gotten them all, but we're gonna work them on the board. 5. All right. I'm gonna grab this one. Grab this one. I'm gonna work them on the board for you. All right, Marquavius. Nope. Good. All right, expect excellence. Good. Okay, I need everyone to look up here. I'm going to work through each of these problems. I know you all didn't get to them, but we're going to do them together so we can help each other, okay? So this first one, let's do this one. All right, it says Miss Bathrick puts $826 a month into the bank. How much will she have after 9 months? So the first thing that I'm going to think is, how much money is she putting in the bank each month? All right, so the first month, let's write I'm going to write this. Oop. Month 1. Oop, that's not how you spell month. All right, she put $826 in the bank in month 1. Somebody, how much money does she put in the bank in month 2, Amani? Good. So in month 2, she puts $826. Month 3, she puts $826, right? How much money is she going to put in month 4? 826. So if we have 826 repeatedly added together, what can we do instead? Multiply. Good. So what we're going to do, we're going to do $826 times 9 months, because she Put that in for a total of 9 months, okay? Y'all ready? Alright, so we're going to find the total amount of money that she put in after the 9 months was over. Alright, so what's 9 times 6, class?
54.
54, good. So we're going to put a 4, carry our 5. What is 9 times 2? 18 plus 5 is 23. So we're going to put our 3, carry our 2. Class, what is 9 times 8? 72 plus 2 is 74. Good. So how much money does she have altogether, Elijah Chandler? How much money did she have after the 9 months?
7,400.
Good. $7,434. All right, good job. All right, let's go into the next one. It says Malik has 25 loom bracelets. Listen up. 25 loom bracelets. When he made the loom bracelet, he used 36 looms for each bracelet. How many looms did he have to use? So in this first bracelet, how many looms did they use in the first bracelet? It says 36. So 36 looms for one bracelet. The second bracelet, how many looms did they use in the second bracelet? 36 again. How many? Can somebody tell me how many they use in the third bracelet?
36.
How many do they use in the fourth bracelet?
36.
So what are we doing again? Multiplication. So we have 25 bracelets. Stop talking. And 36 looms. And we're wanting to find out the total number of looms it took for all 25 bracelets. So we're going to do multiply. What's 6 times 5? 30. So we're going to put a 0. Carry our 3. What is 6 times 2, class? 12 plus 3? 12 plus 3 is 15. So now that I'm done with the 6, I'm going to cross it out and carry a 0 down. Stop talking. What is 3 times 5? 15. So I'm going to put a 5 and carry another 1. What is 3 times 2, Landon? 3 times 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. Good. 7. So we're going to add these two partial products together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. 7 plus 1 plus 1 is 9. So how many looms did we have, Cody? 900 looms. Good. All right. The next one. Listen up. All right. It says the Panthers Stadium can seat 8,921 people. If there are 6 games, what is the maximum number of people who will be able to go to the games? Okay. So if each game, like we've been doing, each game is going to hold 8,921 people. So what can we do? We're repeatedly adding that number. So what can we do instead? Multiply. So we have 8,921 people times 6, because there are 6 games. All right. So let's do this. What's 6 times 1, class? 6. Mark Wavius, what's 6 times 2? 6 times 2 is 12. So we put our 2, we carry our 1. What is 9 times 6, Addison? 54 plus 1 is 55. So we put our 5 and we carry our 5. What is 6 times 8? Sydney, 6 times 8. 48 plus 5 is? Good. 53. So we have a total of this. Montavious, how many people in total can come to the football games? Stop tapping.
5,000.
Read this number first. 53.
3,526.
Good. We can have 53,526 people in total at the Panthers Stadium. Alright. Let's do this one. It says the yard is 256 yards long and 189 yards wide. What is the area of the yard? So this is something cool. Area equals length times width. Were we given the length and width of the yard? Yeah, so we can find the area. So let's draw our picture for this one. If it's 256 yards long and 189 yards wide, what can we do to find the total area of the yard? Multiply. Look, see? All we're doing is we're trying to find the area. It's right there. So we're going to multiply 189 times 256. All right. What is 6 times 9? 54. So 4, carry my 5. What is 8 times 6? 48 plus 5 is? 53. Yes, Simani.
Why put the larger number on the bottom and the lower number on the top?
It was just the order I picked. That's just the way I did it. Yep, you'll still get the same answer. Good job, Elijah. Hush. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 5 is? 6 plus 5? 6 plus 5 is 11. Good. So we're going to cross out our 6, bring down a 0. What's 5 times 9? Kylan, what's 5 times 9? 45. Good. So we're going to put a 5, carry our 4. What's 5 times 8? Sydney? Not Sydney. Savannah. 40 plus 4 is? 44. Put our 4 and carry a 4. What is 5 times 1? Landon? What's 5 times 1? 5 plus 4 is? 9. Good. So we put a 9. We're going to cross out our 5 and bring down 2 zeros. So hold both of these place values. And I'm going to cross these remainders off up there. All right, Leighton, what's 2 times 9?
18.
18. Put an 8 and carry our 1. What is 2 times 8, Abdul? 2 times 8? Good. It's 16 plus 1 more is 17. So we put a 7, carry our 1. 2 times 1, Kaylin. Huh? 2 plus 1 more is 3. Now that we have our 3 partial products, we're going to add them together. We get 4, 8. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 1 more is 13. Carry our 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 1 is 11, plus 7 is 18.
Wait, how'd you get plus 1 more? I don't get that.
Oh, just kidding. Sorry. 9 plus 1.
Wait.
No, I did. It is plus 1 more.
I thought you put it over to the side, so I thought that was plus.
Okay. 10, 18. 8 plus 1.
Wait, how is it?
There's a 1, 1, a 9, and a 7.
I didn't get that. Oh, I didn't see
So your total, hey, listen, this is important too. Our total is 48,384 square yards, because if you do yards times yards, it's square yards. Good. Okay. Do you want to do your problems or you want me to? Yep. All right. Miss Brazier's going to do some practice problems from our test that we took a little while back on the board with you. So put y'all pile up your scratch paper on your towers, okay?
Okay, listen up.